I'm going to show you how to navigate in the changelog cost center Fiori app in SAP S/4HANA system. My name is Don Dias, and I've been working with SAP since 2001, with my main focus in finance area. I work as an SAP FICO contractor. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this one. If you are just now reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, please subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. My dear audience, I would like to make you a request to help us to reach to the first 1,000 subscribers. At the moment, we have more than 20,000 views and less than 500 subscribers. Can you please help us to balance this scale by subscribing to this channel? Here in this channel, we deliver very high quality content, and I use my free time to share SAP knowledge for free. I think it's fair enough to ask you also to share SAP knowledge. How can you do that? It is very simple. You just need to subscribe to this channel, share it within your network, and it is done. Let's reach the first 1,000 subscribers. With this app, we can see details of changes made to a cost center master data. We can see what was changed, by who and when, and we can filter for the changes for a particular cost center or by a particular user. And now, without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP LAUNCHPAD. If you don't know yet how to navigate, you can find the link in the description of this one to teach you how to navigate. If you struggle to find Fiori apps in the Fiori SAP LAUNCHPAD, you can find also the link in the description of this video to teach you how to do it. So the tile that we are going to choose today is this one, this Fiori app, changelog cost centers. So this is a new app. If we open here in the About, you can see that the framework ID is a UI5 technology. So it is an exclusive app of the Fiori app. This means that it's not an emulation. You cannot find an app like this as a transaction code in the SAP GUI. So here we can have a look. We have here the controlling area, the cost center, type of change. We can choose the type of change, then change it by and change it on. So if I'm going to here to click adapt filters, we have all of these fields that we can add just to insert here. I'm going to show you, click one just to insert here something else new in this selection screen. So by default, when I click here, I don't have many cost centers in this system, but I can see all the cost centers that I have. And I can see some that I have on insert. And then here I see that I have changes and so on. So, but the best thing, sometimes you have doubts, you put the cost center as you wish, or in this case, to be quicker for us, I prepared something. I'm going to put today's date. And then I'm going to run this again. So in here, I can see that this cost center, I made some changes. I can add here some more information. Change document number. I'm going just to put the change document number. So you can see that we are adding here information, and I have now show details, and I have now the change document number. So basically the internal document that SAP creates for the change. But if you see here, I can see that I have the old value and then I have the new value. So basically old value here, the field name was empty, and I put YouTube change, and the title was empty, and I put Mr. If I want to see in detail, I can click here, and I can go inside of the Manage Cost Centers Fiori app. And then in here, I can go to the changelog. Here in the changelog, I can see what changes have been made for this cost center so far. Let's go back one step, and let's go back another step to go for our Fiori app. You see? And then I created another one, which I have changed also here the responsible person. So basically it was something, old value, it was this one, and then it became the new value, okay? This is the new value of the responsible. So the name was this one, and then I put YouTube change. So if I go there, again, I can show you that what I've actually changed. If you are enjoying this video as me doing for you, please make a like to us. I know that this is not a very important Fiori app, but is a very useful one. So if you see here, the responsible value is this one, and then the name, the responsible person is this one, and I put here this name. If I go to the change log, I have this information here, what I have actually changed. Let's go to see something else. You might not be familiar yet with the Fiori apps. If you click here, and then you extract this to Excel, and then when you open Excel, you have all of this information that you can send to someone else, or you can analyze in the spreadsheet. That it's easier. Please leave some comments if this Fiori app was useful for you or not. Now you know how to navigate in the changelog cost centers Fiori app in SAP S/4HANA system. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.